Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLB Crafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. I wanted to hop on real quick and introduce you all to a new product that's coming from Girl Boss Anna. These are just like the inks, but these are on washi paper, and so I wanted to show them to you. It's a different kind of material, so it's going to take ink differently. And then we'll do some. I'll show you. We'll do a test over to see how the printing on the page shows through, because they are still overlays. They're washi inks instead of overlay tapes. And we'll do a pen test. I have a bunch of different pens set out. So let's get started. Voting's been open all week. This is posting on, let's see, Monday the 18th. So I don't know if voting is still going to be open by the time this posts or not. We were able to get on there onto Girl Boss Anna's Instagram profile and vote on what of the existing overlay tape colorways we wanted to see converted to or available as washi swatches or inks. That's I'm so used to calling them swishies that I forgot what to call them. So that might still be open. She didn't really say when voting would close, but either way, then pre-orders will be in the shop. She said pre-orders would be in the shop this week, so you can go check that out. I just want to show you the difference. We're going to swatch them and I'm going to show you the difference. So up until now, these have been called overlay tapes, and basically they are the same material as your generic gift wrapping invisible tape. It's the same kind of material. These just happen to have some printing on them and they're perforated. So a little bit different than washi tape, and not all pens would write on them. These now are made out of washi tape material. I know it looks super wide, but this is just a sticker. I'll show you. We'll pull it off of there and I'll show you. So first, and these are a bunch of the pens. So first, let me get my swatch book out. So this is just a traveler's notebook I got a few years ago from Walmart with some blank books inside, and I use these to swatch all of my washies and obviously my overlay tapes. Here are just some bullet points. So if you missed it, I do have a video explaining my swatching system. I will link that in the cards up above. But let's get going. So my Girl Boss Anna swatches are here in the back. And let's just go to the next page. So this is just a page holder. It holds your book open, if I can remember how to. I don't use it very often, but I hate when my book flips shut. There we go. A cat, of course. So let's go ahead and at least, well, let's go ahead and swatch. So this set, what was this set called? I forget. Let me look. So this set was called Better Days, and it is the original style, and we'll play with both of these so that you can get a better feel for how exactly they are different. And then the other one is Feathered Bliss. Now Feathered Bliss was available in this tape style, and I didn't actually get it in the traditional overlay tape style, so I got it in, it's the only one I have so far, in the new washi tape ink style to try out. Oops, and I'm not leaving space for my numbers. I need to leave space for my numbers. Sorry, little dude. Gotta move your foot. So I'm going to speed this up while I swatch these real quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now this one has multiple colors on one row. So this is all the colors that were in the original Feathered Bliss collection. And so these are more like the tapes that you get from like the washi tape shop. So this is a sticker on a waxy sheet, and it's got all the different colors on there. So I'm not going to number these for now. I can number one roll, or put one number on the whole roll. Spit it out. So I'm just want to lay all the different colors on here. But again, so these are not like the tape that you would wrap a present with. These are actual, so there's 4 colors on this roll. These are actual like pieces of washi tape. And then I'm going to lay this sticker back over to hold the roll shut like that. So this is Feathered Bliss. This is the Feathered Bliss washi ink. And I don't know how many of these rolls I'm going to end up with, so I don't know if I want to mess with sticking a number on there, but there is my added to my swatch book, and I just need to put these numbers inside the rolls. So let's do that real quick. And that way when I come into my book, because lots of times they look different on the roll than they do in the drawer or on the paper. So this way I can see the exact color I want. I know to go in and get the roll that has that number on the inside. So there's the green one was number 75. And I mean, obviously I can tell the 5 of them apart here, but when I put these in rainbow order in my drawer of tapes, they start to look pretty similar, and it might be hard to make sure I get the right one. So this way I know when I pull the color out, I want the one that says 75 on the inside of the roll. So here you can see it says, can you see that in there? Yeah, 75. But again, that's all explained in the video that I'm linking, or that I linked. Excellent. All right. So swatching is done. I can put this away. I can go back and add a number to the inside of the new washi tape roll if I want at some point. So let's grab an old planner page. So I just have this extra dashboard one, and I want to go ahead and put these on the days of the week to show you how the printing shows through them, and then we'll also do the same with the new washi paper style ones. So not long enough, but for the purposes of this, that's okay. All right, so let's see how now these show through the washi. So you can definitely still see through there. Perfect. Okay, so let's put a few of these on here and try some pen swatches. They look like clouds. So pretty. I might have to use this. I'm going to do a rainy day spread this week, and these could be some really awesome clouds. I love swishies. I've always loved them, even when the only ones available were stickers in the Happy Planner book. These will take up less space too in your storage because you have all the colors on one roll. So I think that's pretty convenient. All right, so let's see. That one's folded under a little bit. There we go. Okay, so first pen I have is a Micron. Okay, so we need to definitely give the Micron time to dry. We have this is a friction, and I know I can write on these with friction. I'm gonna wipe down. Yeah, that one definitely needs time to dry as well. I'm just gonna write Mike and give those both time to dry. All right, this is a Papermate Flare. Yep, needs time to dry. This is the live color. This is the generic Erin Condren version. We'll put live. Yep. But I have a feeling these are all going to dry pretty quickly. Here's the tool. That one did pretty good. It just smeared a tiny little bit. Here's an Arteza. Just a little. This is the Monami. So this is the super, super fine brush pen. It doesn't say it's a brush pen, but it does flex. Did I spell that right? Monami. Yep. Okay, that one needs time to dry. And then last but not least, I pulled the Pentel brush sign pen, Pentel brush sign pen. And I can see that one beating up, so I'm not even gonna try to rub it. So let's see, time to dry. Okay, the friction dried, it's good. The micron is still smearing a little. The flare, the live colors, the live color pretty much dried. Tulle dried, Arteza dried, Monami did not. I got black finger now. And I can still see the Pentel is kind of beaded up. So yeah. All right. So, not as great of a pen test as I was hoping. Pretty much the same pens that work on these. But at least we have now a new kind of material, a washi tape material. So pretty much any pens that will work on washi tape will work on these as well. And I do like that they are separate stickers. They're a little bit fatter, but that's okay. I think there might be different sizes coming. So even if voting on these is closed, check out Girl Boss Anna's Instagram profile. You can message her and let her know what you like or what you'd like to see different about these. She has gone full-time as Girl Boss Anna, and so she is very open to feedback now. She's not working 2 jobs in essence. So give her your thoughts and vote if you can, and if not, just look for new stuff coming to the shop. So, and remember, my code for 10% off is JUDI10, Judy10, and that'll get you 10% off. So I hope you like this video. Give the new washi swishies a try. I'm excited to start using them. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.